Shubhashish. Sit Shubhashish. Shubhashish says it is natural, normal that when I do something for somebody, then I raise expectations, right? With how many of you does this happen? Everybody. When you do something for somebody, you start expecting. There are two ways of doing something for somebody. One, out of love, and that is unconditional. There you are not demanding something. I have done this for you, now you do this for me. This is what expectation is, right? No, this is not love. The way of love says, I am giving, and I am giving out of my love. I am giving because I feel great to give. There is no question of asking something in return. Just giving is sufficient, and I am thankful to you that you are taking something from me. Are you getting it? This is the way of love. Love says, thank you that you took something from me. The second way is the way of the businessman, the trader. He says, I'm giving you X, you give me Y. It's a deal, it's a trade. And then there will be expectations. Shubhashish, find love. In love there is no expectation. There is just direct action. Full, complete action. Nothing remains to be expected. And if there are people in your life who have lots of expectations from you, please know that they do not love you. Anybody who expects something from you does not love you. He is trading with you. He is saying, I have done this much for you, now you do this for me. This is not love. This will only result in more and more misery. Getting it? Shubhashish, find love, and then you will see what it means to live without expectations. Life is great without expectations. Piche, he's been raising his hand.